How to block someone on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Ever found yourself wanting to clear out some accounts from your TikTok feed and decided it's time to hit that block button? If so, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the simple and easy steps that needs to be followed up in order to block someone on TikTok. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, open up your TikTok application. You will land to its official homepage. Tap on the search icon at the top and in the search bar, type in the username that you want to block. Hit enter. Click on the user's account at the top section of TikTok. You will land on their official TikTok profile. At the top, tap on the arrow icon. A menu will pop up at the very bottom. Find and tap on block option. A menu will appear. Confirm the blocking process by tapping on block and boom, you have successfully blocked someone on TikTok. Remember, when you block someone, they won't be able to send you messages, see your posts or find your profile. Similarly, you won't be able to see their details. If you ever decided to unblock someone, it's just as easy. In my case, I love MrBeast, so I'll simply tap on unblock. A menu will pop up. In order to confirm the unblocking process, I will tap on unblock so that I could enjoy his content. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully blocked someone on TikTok. Choose wisely who you want to block as it affects both ends of communication. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.